Hello, and welcome to the How to Reset the Map tutorial video. So, as you can see, I have already done a basic search, and I'm going to select an area on the map, which will filter the area drawn on the map. So, without deselecting this, I'm going to clear the results. And as you can see, it cleared the results from the charts and the table, but it did not reset the map. So this is a problem that we ran into with the application, and we don't have a solution for it currently. So when this happens, for the basic search and the advanced search, you can go ahead and still continue doing a search. So we'll search for Colorado and Boulder County and apply. And as you can see, we have new search results and new data in the table and the chart. And selecting a new result from the search will change the area drawn on the map, and you can deselect again to reset your map. And resetting the map will simply redraw the entire United States. So the map not being completely drawn will not affect your ability to continue using the basic and the advanced search. For the locational search, however, let's say we just draw a small area right here. And I'll select Wyoming, Albany County. If I clear the results without deselecting my current area, and let's say I go to draw an area in Colorado, it will bring up no results. So if this happens for the locational search, the best thing that we suggest is just refreshing the web page. And once it is refreshed, the map will be drawn again, and you can continue using the locational search. We are still figuring out a solution for this. Thank you for your patience, and I hope this tutorial video was helpful. Thanks for watching.